The Dingbaayee Extend a Stay RV kit makes it easy to tap into your motorhome propane system while still running your built-in appliances normally. Its 4-port brass T sits securely between the tank and regulator, adding extra flow protection and reducing the risk of dangerous leaks when a line fails. The included stainless steel braided hoses, one around 5 feet and one around 12 feet, feel durable and resist kinking, abrasion, and weather exposure during frequent setup and teardown. Being able to hook up an auxiliary cylinder or an extra low-pressure appliance lets you stay parked longer without constantly refilling the main onboard tank. The kit works well with common camping gear like grills, outdoor stoves, and heaters, so you can run several propane devices from a single setup at the campsite or tailgate. Thoughtful extras such as sealing tape, a wrench, and cable management accessories make installation straightforward even for RV owners who are not seasoned gas fitters.